Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you. So only 13 till now joined. Okay, let me wait for 1 to 2 minutes so that they will join quickly. Okay, let me revise. So last class what we are discussing is about mixing related problem. Okay, the numerical related to mixing we are discussing. So we already discussed about the structure of mixing tank, how the mixing tank should be. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, let me share the screen. This is the notes. That is the unit 3 notes. We discuss first part is mixing. Okay, and this is the structure of mixing tank. We already previously discussed these things in the offline classes. We have a simple tank. This is not a simple tank. Okay, here you have inlet mixtures, inlet fluids. We generally called it as a feed. Generally called as a feed. Okay, feed may be 1, feed 2, or maybe feed 3. Any type, any input we can add to this tank. Then what will happen? This tank will have a some motor and shaft and impeller connection, or this all combination of this motor, shaft and impeller, we called it as a stirrer. Okay, what is the use of stirrer? It will mix the three fluid uniformly. Okay, or we can say it will homogenize, it will give a homogeneous mixture of this liquid. Okay, then after that what will happen? This is the outlet. Outlet means to collect the mixing fluid. Okay, then next unit is this outer jacket is there. Why this outer jacket is there? Because we know that we are generally mixing, we are dealing with chemicals, and chemicals are generally exothermic or endothermic. So to maintain the temperature inside this fluid, we have to use a jacket. We have to use this jacket, and in this jacket certain fluids are generally flowing. Suppose this temperature, suppose these reactions are exothermic, then the cold fluid we have to send through the outer jacket, so that this whatever this heat evolved, that will be extracted out by the cold fluid. If the mixing reaction is endothermic, it means what? The temperature is decreasing, getting down. Then what we have to do? We have to send a hot fluid, so that this temperature from this hot or this heat will little bit will float inside this solution, and this solution temperature will be maintained. Okay, that we have to maintain. This is the structure of this mixing tank. Next we discuss certain numericals. Okay, so this numerical we discuss where we have a feed stream 1. Suppose say feed stream 2, F2 is there, 2 feed stream are there, which is having different composition of sulfuric acid and water. This is 25% sulfuric acid, 75% water, 98% sulfuric acid, 2.2% water. Then these two are mixed in a mixer and will give us a product which is having 65% H2SO4 and 35% water. Suppose the product stream is 1000 kg. Then what is F1 and F2, or the amount of feed stream 1 and amount of feed stream 2? In other words, we can say to produce 1000 kg of, suppose we have two stream. Feed stream 1, this has composition this one, and this feed stream 2, this has the composition this one. At what percentage, how much amount we will have to take this one, and how much amount we have to take this feed 2 stream, so that this product stream we will get at this composition. Okay, this is the numerical. So how to solve? We told we have two material balance. One is overall material balance. So overall material balance means overall how much weight or amount of feed stream 1 is coming, F1. How much amount of feed stream 2 is coming, F2. So how much amount of product stream we got? 1000 kg. So first one will be F1 plus F2 is equal to 1000. Then second, component balance. So what are these component present? Component 1 is present H2SO4, and component 2 it is present water. Everywhere H2SO4 water, H2SO4 water, H2SO4 water. So first thing is H2SO4, component balance of H2SO4. So how much amount of H2SO4 present in feed stream 1? That is the F1 into 25 by 100. Okay. Out of this F1 amount, 25% is, what is this 25%? H2SO4. So amount of H2SO4 present in feed stream 1 is F1 into 25 by 100. Then amount of H2SO4 present in F2 stream, that is 98% of F2. 98% of F2 means F2 into 98 by 100. Okay. The amount of H2SO4 present in product streams, that is 65% of 1000 kg, or we can say 1000 into 65 by 100. So material component balance we can do the amount of H2SO4 present in feed stream 1, amount of H2SO4 present in feed stream 2 is equal to amount of H2SO4 present in product stream. Okay, so how to write this one? Okay, simple. Then by 25 by 100 we can write 0.25, 0.98 and 0.65 corresponding this value. Okay, now we have two equation. What are the two equation? F1 plus F2 is equal to 1000 and 0.25 F1 plus 0.98 F2 is equal to 650. We have a two equation, two variables. Variables are F1 and F2. So by solving these two equations, you can calculate this F1 and F2, and this is asked. Okay, simple question. And solving also simple. By using calculator, I already mentioned how to solve it. Okay. So let us proceed to solving some new type of numerical. Okay. So I am detecting the numerical. Please write it. Okay. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am detecting the numerical. Please write it. Okay. Otherwise, I am sharing the screen. Just all of you. Yeah. The question is present here. Okay. Please read the question. The waste acid from a nitrating process. It is a certain process. Okay. From that process, certain waste acid is coming. What is this composition of waste acid? That waste acid contain 20% HNO3, 55% sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and 25% water. Okay. First line is clear. Certain unit or certain process is there. In that process, some waste acid it is coming. Okay, what is this composition? This waste acid contain 20% HNO3, 55% H2SO4 and 25% H2O by weight. Okay, by weight it is present, it is given. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so let us draw the diagram first. So certain nitrating process is there. One process stream is there in which 20% HNO3, in which we got 20% HNO3, 55% H2SO4 and this 25% H2O. This is the composition of a stream. Okay, this is coming out from a waste stream. So what we have to do is, by weight is to be concentrated by addition of concentrated H2SO4 containing 95% H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3 containing 90% HNO3 to get desired mixture containing 26% HNO3, 60% H2SO4. Okay, please read the question and try to understand. Read 2 times, 3 times, how many times you have to read, please read it and try to draw the diagram first. The waste acid from a nitrating process containing means some certain waste acid is coming, that is having 20% HNO3, 55% H2SO4 and 25% H2O. That is the composition by weight percentage it is given. So we have to concentrate it. How? By addition, we have to add concentrated H2SO4, that is the commercial one, which is having 95% H2SO4, and we have to add concentration of HNO3, which is having 90% HNO3, to get a desired mixture acid containing 26% HNO3 and 60% H2SO4. Okay, so let me draw it. So this is the waste acid. So what is the product? The product is 26% HNO3 and 60% H2SO4. Okay, this is the product we want. This is the input from the nitrating process, waste acid. So we have to convert this composition to this composition. Okay, so how to convert it? So for this conversion, what we have to do is we have to mix certain pure H2SO4 stream that is having 98% H2SO4, another stream which is having 90% HNO3. Okay, this is the first composition of this acid, waste acid. We have to convert this waste acid, this composition, to this form. Okay, so how to do it? We have to add the concentrated acids of H2SO4 and HNO3. Suppose in the given the concentrated H2SO4, the bottle has composition of 98% H2SO4, and this concentrated HNO3 has the composition of 90% HNO3. Okay, so the question is like that. Okay, this is the diagram. Next is calculate the quantity of waste acids required for 1000 kg of desired mixture. Okay, it means what? This is 1000 kg. Okay, so once again, please read the question and try to visualize it. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, please read the question once again. The waste acid from a nitrating process containing 20% HNO3, 55% H2SO4 and 25% H2O. This is the waste acid. So we have to convert it into this 26% HNO3 and 60% H2SO4. This is our product. We desire it. So how to do it? We have to add concentration H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. The concentrated H2SO4 has the composition 95% H2SO4 and the concentrated HNO3 has the composition of 90% HNO3. Okay, and the product stream we want is 1000 kg. Is it okay? Is it clear? The diagram is okay? Is the diagram is okay related to question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 33. Sanjay? Okay, he is absent. Okay. So the question is, okay, you understand this question first. So next is we have to solve to find out what is this amount, and this amount. Okay. So in this mixing tank or in this process, what is the product? Product is this one. And we have three feed streams. Suppose say this feed stream is F1, this feed stream is F2, and the feed stream is F3. Suppose say we have F1 kg of this one and F2 kg of this concentrated H2SO4 and F3 kg of concentrated HNO3 and the P kg of this desired product. Okay, then what will be the overall material balance? Overall material balance means what? How much feed overall it is coming and how much product overall it is going. So overall material balance can anyone say, please say, what is the overall material balance? What we can write?
F1 plus F2 plus F3 is equal to P.
Yeah, very good. F1 plus F2 plus F3 is equal to P. How much total input is coming and how much total output is going. That is the overall balance, overall material balance. Now, F1 is not known, F2 is not known, F3 is not known. This 1000 P is given 1000 kg. Okay, this is our first equation. That is the overall material balance. Next, after overall material balance, what we have to do? Component balance. Component balance. So before going to component balance, what are the components in this total system? First thing is HNO3. Yeah, HNO3. Second one is H2SO4. And third one is water.
H2.
Okay. So let me draw the diagram once again. So this is the mixing tank. Here we have F1. So F1 we have 20% HNO3. 55% H2SO4 and 25% H2O. Okay, in F1 kg, this is the composition. Okay, next focus on F2. F2 kg. What is the feed stream true? This is given concentrated H2SO4, in which 98% is H2SO4. Okay, this is the stream for, okay, this is waste acid. This is concentrated H2SO4, in which what is present? 98% H2SO4. So in F2, total F2 amount, 98% is H2SO4. What about 2%? What is present in 2%?
Water, waste water.
Water. This is concentrated sulfuric acid. In concentrated sulfuric acid, 98% is H2SO4. So remain 2% is water. Okay. So in the next stream, that is F3 kg, or we can say concentrated nitric acid HNO3, in which 90% is HNO3. What about remain 10%? It will be
concentrated HNO. Water.
Yeah. Concentrated HNO3. Okay. Concentrated HNO3 it generally means it is a 100% HNO3, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but in this problem it is given it is 90% HNO3. Okay, 90% HNO3 means what about remain 10%? Remain 10% is always water. Okay, and acid 20% means what? The 20% is acid and remain 80% is water. Okay, that is the composition of acid. Anything is not given means that is water. And it is given in the question concentrated HNO3. Okay, so can we say H2SO4 will be present here? No H2SO4, it will be present here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is given concentrated HNO3. So we will have two composition only. Generally, concentrated HNO3 means it should be 100% HNO3. But it is not 100%. That is 90% HNO3. So what about 10%? This 10% may be H2SO4, maybe H2O, or maybe mixture of H2SO4 and water. But it is the given only the concentrated HNO3. Concentrated HNO3 means no other component will be present than water. Okay. Similarly here, concentrated H2SO4. This is waste acid mixture. Waste acid mixture means it will have mixture of 3 to 4 things. Here it is given concentrated H2SO4 means H2SO maybe concentrated H2SO4 means generally it is 100% H2SO4. But generally 100% H2SO4 for transportation, for use, it will cause different difficulties. That's why we generally dilute the acid with certain amount of water. Okay. So it will have 2% water in it. 98% H2SO4 means remain part is 2% water. Here we will have 0% HNO3. Okay. And here we will have 0% H2SO4. Is it clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what about product? After mixing these things, we got a product that is 1000 kg. So in 1000 kg, 26% is HNO3, 60% is H2SO4. So 26% is HNO3, 60% is H2SO4. So 26 plus 60, how much? This is 86%. So what about remain 14%?
Water.
Yeah, it will be water because we have 3 components only. And in the acid mixture, anything is not given means that is water. Okay. And here we have 90% HNO3. Anything is not given, that may be H2SO4 and one water, but as it is given concentrated HNO3, so we will have the remaining part will be only water. Okay. So okay. So next do the component balance one by one. Okay. So first focus on first component balance. So first let us focus on HNO3. Okay. So how much of HNO3 present in F1 stream? It is 20% of F1. Okay, so we can write F1 into 20% of
20 by 100.
20% of F1. Okay, plus how much we are doing HNO3 balance. Okay, next F2. How much HNO3 present in F2 stream? 0% because it is concentrated H2SO4. 98% H2SO4, 2% water. It means 0% HNO3. So in feed stream we will have 0% of HNO3. So we can write F2 into 0 by 100. Okay, simple. Plus HNO3 in feed stream 3. That is given 90% HNO3 is present. Means 90% of F3 kg. So it will be F3 into 90 by 100 is equal to product stream. HNO3, how much it is present? 26% of HNO3 present out of 1000 kg. So it will be 1000 into 26 by 100. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So next, do go for second component. Second component is H2SO4. You see how easy the things are. Okay, only you have to read the questions, then you have to draw this diagram. If you draw the diagram, next is component balance is very much easy. Next for H2SO4, it is present 55% of F1 kg. Total kg is F1 na. 55% of F1 kg. It means F1 into 55 by 100 plus H2SO4 present here. That is 98% of F2 kg. So it will be F2 into 98 by 100 plus H2SO4 present in this stream, concentrated HNO3, that is 0%. Okay. So we'll have F3 into 0 by 100 is equal to how many kg of H2SO4 it is present? 60% of 1000 kg. So it will be 1000 into 60 by 100. Okay. Then next third component we have water. So water, first one is, it is present 25% water, first one, 2% water, second one. So it will be F1 into 25 by 100 plus F2 into 2 by 100 plus F3 into 10 by 100. In the third stream, water is 10% only. And here we have a 14% water is equal to 1000 into 14 by 100. Okay. The overall material balance, first we draw this diagram and we represent according to composition percentage by what percentage, how many, what is present. Then what we did, this overall material balance and component material balance. Okay. So let us rewrite this equation once again. So first equation I am writing this one, HNO3. Can I write 0.2 F1 plus 0 into F2 plus 0.9 into F3 is equal to 260. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So next line H2SO4, we can write 0.55 into F1 plus 0.98 into F2 plus this is 0 into F3 is equal to 600. Okay. Then third line, it is 0.25 F1 plus 0.02 F2 plus 0.1 F3 is equal to 140. Okay, for this all the three component balance, I just simplified in one line equation I write, and these are the component balance. What is the overall material balance we got? F1 plus F2 plus F3 is equal to 1000. Simple. The equations we got. Next is what is asked in this question, to find F1, F2 and F3. So how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. So to solve 3 variables, how many equations we required? 3 equations we required. Okay. So out of these 4 equations, just take any 3 equations. Okay. Suppose let me take these 3 equations. Okay. So these 3 equations are this one, and this one. So how to solve it? Okay. Any one of you please solve it. Can you solve it, or I will tell you how to solve in calculator? So just go to calculator Okay, press the mode button. Okay, then there you will have a equation symbol. Okay, that is in the 5. Then press 5. Then you will have 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equations are there. After mode, go to equation section. In equation section, we have 4 example or 4 set of equations are there. Here we have which type of equation it is there. 3 variables are there. So you see first one is ANX plus BNY is equal to CN. That is for 2 variable equations. Okay. The second one is ANX plus BNY plus CNZ is equal to DN. That is for 3 variable equations. So just press 2 then. We have 3 variables. So press 2. Okay. After pressing 2, we have this type of structure. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. Okay, please find this one and let me tell if you got this one, then I will tell the next step. All of you reached to this step? Sanjay, roll number 33. Okay, all of you reached to this step. Anyone? Or I will repeat again how to solve this in calculator. Jeevan?
Yes, sir.
You got calculator? You have calculator?
I have calculator, sir. I'm doing it.
Yeah. Roll number 12.
Yes, sir.
You have calculator?
Sir, I don't have calculator. I booked it. It will come on 3rd, sir.
Okay, very good. Roll number 3. You also don't have calculator.
Sir, it will come tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow evening.
Okay, how many of you don't have calculator? Just raise the hand. Right now, how many of you have calculator? Just raise the hand.
Have or don't have, sir?
Those who have calculator.
Those who have.
Arey Sitara, you said that your calculator will come on 3rd now.
I have, sir.
Yes, on 3rd. I don't have now.
Okay.
Okay, I have.
Those who have calculator.
Raise your hand.
So only one person have calculator. Roll number 14.
Due to this weather, Flipkart is not on. Delivery boy are not on.
Okay. Just okay. Just to do one thing. In the exams, when this type of question will come, just solve till that point, and then write we don't have calculator and we can't solve it. Okay, they will give full marks. Full marks
Will you give
excuses.
marks?
Okay, they will give full marks. Okay.
Sir, anyhow, mid semester correct.
So we have 3 equation and 3 variables. Okay. So for that, if you can solve it, then very good. I don't have any issue. So those who don't have that brilliant minds, okay, for them I am teaching. So we can write once again. Let me write 0.9 F3 is equal to 260, 0.55 F1 plus 0.98 F2 plus 0 F3 is equal to 600, 0.25 F1 plus 0.02 F2 plus 0.1 F3 is equal to 140. Okay, these three equations we have. So we have three variable, three equation. We can solve it. For that, first we have to go is in the calculator, mode option is there. After mode option, we have to solve the equations. So we have to go to equation section, that is generally present in the fifth option. Okay, in fifth option, we have a 4 choices, or there are 4 type of equations are there. As it is a 3 variable and 3 equations are there, we will click 2 option. Okay, then we will have A, B, C and D, 1, 2, 3. What this 1, 2, 3 represent? 1 for first equation, 2 for second equation and 3 for third equation. And this product of whatever this product of this variable f1, those are represent A, for f2 that will represent B, and for f3 that will represent C. Okay, then we will put one by one. In first line, in the first line or first equation, it is A is 0.2, B is 0, C is 0.9 and D is 260. Okay, in the second equation, it will be 0.55, 0.98, F3 is 0 and it is 600. In the third line, 0.25, 0.02, it is 0.1 and it is 140. Okay, just Jivan, are you solving it?
Sir,
Yeah, what is the answer?
sir, X value is 460.176.
Not X, here we have a variable F1.
Okay.
F1 is
here XYZ only come, sir. Okay.
yeah
460.176
176 kg.
kg. Okay. Then F2 is 353.98. 98
Okay.
kg. F3 is 178.76 kg. 76.
8.76 kg. Okay, just let me check. Just a minute.
I got
0.55.
like
6. Yeah, just a minute. Okay, first one is 456, na?
460 I got, sir.
Okay, what the value you put? Just check it once again. 0.2.
Okay, sir. Okay. Once again, sir. Let me check once again.
0.
I'll do once again, sir. From starting, I'll do.
It will be 0.2, 0, 0.9, 260, 0.55, 0.98, then 0, 600, 0.25, 0.02, 0.1 and 140. So what I am getting is 456 kg. F2 I am getting 356 kg.
Yes, sir. 456. Sorry.
Yeah, 356 kg.
This is 456. Then
F3 is getting
356. Y is 356. Then Z is 187.
yeah nearly about 188 kg because the total has to be 1000 kg.
188.
Okay, the total has to be 1000 kg. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the solution. Very easy. Okay. So what is the conclusion is, suppose we have a acid, that is how much the composition, okay, that's 20% HNO3, 55% H2SO4 and 25% water. Suppose this acid is there, so we have to form it to 26% HNO3, 60% of H2SO4 and 14% of H2O. Suppose this is how much F1 is kg? 456 kg. We have to make it to 1000 kg. Okay, so we got from a stream or from a process, we got this stream. Okay, and we have to convert to this composition. So what we have to do? We have to add concentrated H2SO4 and we have to add concentrated HNO3. So suppose we know that the concentrated HNO3 has only 90% HNO3 is there. Okay, and this composition will have 98% HNO3. Then what amount of this, what kg of this concentrated HNO3 and what kg of this concentrated H2SO4 we have to add? That is it is 356 kg and this is 188 kg. Okay, this is the concept behind this numerical. When we mix these three things, we will get these things. Okay, next problem, please. Next problem is similar type of example. So try to read it. Yeah, similar type, whatever we discussed now, similar type. The waste acid from a nitrating process contain 30% H2SO4, 30% H2SO4, 35% HNO3 and 35% H2O by weight. The acid to be concentrated to contain 39% H2SO4, 42% HNO3. By addition of concentrated H2SO4 containing 98% and concentrated HNO3 by 72% by weight. Calculate the quantity of 3 acid required to get 1000 kg of desired mixture. Okay. So please read the question. Okay, let me do first things what we have to do. We have to draw the diagram. Okay, let me do the diagram. First is mixing tank. In this mixing tank, what is the input? The input is 30% H2SO4, 35% HNO3. So 30% H2SO4, 35% HNO3, and remain 35% is water. Okay, simple. Then what we have to prepare? The acid, this acid is to be concentrated to contain 39% H2SO4 and 42% HNO3. 39%, this will be, we have to convert to 39% H2SO4 and 29% HNO3. Sorry, 42% HNO3. So 42% HNO3. So what we have to add? How to convert these things to these things? By adding concentrated H2SO4, which is having 98%, and by adding concentrated HNO3, which is having 72%. Okay, this is the problem. Please read the question once again. Try to understand it. The waste acid containing one acid is there, waste acid, that is having composition of 30% H2SO4, 35% HNO3 and 35% water. This is 30% H2SO4, 35% HNO3 and 35% water. This is the waste acid. We have to convert this acid is to be concentrated to contain 39% H2SO4 and 42% HNO3. So we have to convert this to 39% H2SO4 and 42% HNO3. How? by addition of concentrated sulfuric acid, which is having 98% H2SO4, and concentrated HNO3, which is having 722% HNO3. So we have to add concentrated H2SO4, 98% H2SO4, and concentrated HNO3, which is having 72% HNO3 to form this one. Then calculate the quantity of 3 acid to be mixed to get 1000 kg of desired mixture. Okay, it means what? This product is 1000 kg. Okay. So simple. Let us take this one is F1 kg. This 2 is F2 kg. This T is F3 kg. Okay, what are the components? H2SO4, HNO3, and water. Here all the composition it is given. In the product stream, H2SO4 is given, HNO3 given. What will be the remain part is H2SO4. What will be the remain part of H2SO4? Please answer. In the product, if 39% is H2SO4, 42% is HNO3, what is the composition percentage of water? Roll number 3.
19% na sir.
Yeah. How? That is 100
Sir,
minus
39
39
plus
minus 42.
39 plus 42 minus 100. 19
Yeah,
only.
simple thing. 19%. So here 98% H2SO4 is there. So 2% is HNO3 or H2SO4. Sorry, HNO3 or water.
Water, sir.
Water, because it is given concentrated H2SO4, not acid mixture. This is acid mixture. This is acid mixture, but this is concentrated H2SO4. So you have 2% water, 0% HNO3. Similarly, here 7 to 2% HNO3. It means remain how much percent? 28% is water and 0% H2O, because it is the concentrated HNO3, not acid mixture. Simple, everything you got it. Next, what you have to do?
0% H2SO4 na sir.
0% H2SO4. Yeah. Thank you.
Because already concentrated means water only will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
na sir.
Yeah. The remaining 28% will be water only. Okay, simple. This is the thing you have to read the question which is given in English language and you have to find this diagram. After this diagram is very much easy. First is overall material balance. That will be F1 plus F2 plus F3 is equal to 1000. Okay, then component balance. So can you anyone say what is the component balance for H2SO4? What I can write? Here 30% is there. So we can write 0.3 into F1. Okay, plus here 0.98 into F2.
Which one? Okay. Yes.
Plus here H2SO4 0. 0 into F3 is equal to here 39% of 390. Okay, very good. Next for HNO3, please tell me. It will be 0.35 F1, 35% of F1
plus 0.72
plus 0 F2. Okay.
HNO3 na sir.
Yeah, here nothing present,
Okay,
but still we have to write 0. Okay. So plus 0.72 F3 is equal to 420. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
It will be the 0. I know there is no need to write this one, but for simplicity, so that you will not get any. While calculating during this calculator, many people will confuse what to put in F2. Okay, that's why write those things as it is, so that it will be easier for calculation. Then for H2SO4, that will be 3.35 F1 plus 0.02 F2 plus it is 28%.
Sir, 28, sir, 0.28.
0.28 F3 is equal to 190. Okay, so three variables we have. Four equations are there. Just take any three equation and solve in calculator. First mode, then equation. In equation go to 5 number, then go to 2 because we have a three variable and three there. So in
Sir,
2 we have.
okay.
Yeah, just let me wait. So we have a three equations. Suppose say this is 1, 2, and 3. So after clicking this in equation mode, then equation that is in 5th number and second option to solve three variable equations. So we'll get like this one. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. So in place of first equation, this one, what are the ABCD value? A will be 0.3, B will be 0.98, C is 0, okay, and D is 390. D means the things without variable that is present right hand side. And here in the second equation 0.35, it is 0, 0.72, 420. This is 0.35, 0.02, 0.28, 190. Okay, solve it. Tell me the value of F1, F2 and F3.
Sir, F1 is 90.404 kg.
Okay, 90.04 kg.
F2 is 370 kg.
370 kg.
And F3 is 539.56 kg.
Let us take 540 kg. Okay. So whatever you got is correct. How to check? Just add
Let's
this.
You have
see
to
the
add
value.
all of them. You have to get 1000 kg.
Yeah, suppose let us say this is 90 only. Okay, so it will be 0.
Plus 70 plus 540. Correct, sir. 1000 only you are getting.
Getting okay. So this is 1000 kg. It means your answer, whatever you got, is correct. Okay. So this is about last class we discussed about two mixing, and this is the three variable type mixing. Okay. So next is suppose say 4 components or 4 variable will come. Then what you have to do? We'll discuss something in the next class. Okay. F3 and F4.
Sir, again, equation format you have to change.
Yeah, equation format you have to change. Okay. So for that type of problem, you can't use calculator. You have to use the matrix formula. Okay, that I will discuss in the next class. We don't have time right now. So let me take the attendance. Please wait.
Yes, sir.
Wait, just a minute. Roll number 2 absent. Okay, roll number 2 is absent. Where is my pen? Here. Roll number 2 absent. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Only absent is roll number 2. What happened to him? Okay, maybe.
Sir, roll number 7 is also absent, no, sir?
Roll number 7. Yeah, in attendance it is showing present. He attended for 30 minutes. Okay, I downloaded the Excel sheet. It is showing he is present for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, roll number 2 only is absent. So just a minute. Okay, roll number 7 was present, but he left in between.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so thank you. So goodbye and attend the next class.
Thank you, sir. Have a